Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'll be helping you figure out why your iPad camera might be blurry. If you've noticed that your photos or videos aren't as sharp as they should be, there are a few possible reasons, and I'll walk you through how to troubleshoot and fix them. First, the simplest issue could be that the camera lens is dirty. This happens more often than you think. Oils from your hands or dust can easily collect on the lens, making your images look blurry. Just take a microfiber cloth and gently clean the lens. This should improve the clarity right away. Another thing to check is your protective case or screen protector. Sometimes these can partially block the lens or interfere with the camera's focus. Make sure nothing is covering the lens area. If your iPad's camera still looks blurry, check for smudges or fingerprints directly on the lens or the camera app's window. A quick clean could solve this too. It's also possible that a third-party app may be affecting your camera settings. If you've recently installed new apps, especially ones that use the camera, try uninstalling them or checking their permissions. Next, try restarting your iPad. A simple reboot can often fix minor software glitches that may be causing camera issues. You should also close and reopen the camera app itself to refresh it and see if the problem clears up. Lastly, make sure your iPad is running the latest version of iOS. Sometimes Apple releases updates that address camera performance issues. If none of these steps work, the problem could be hardware-related, and you might need to take it in for a professional repair. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you later.